Hey guys, it's Miss Becky. I'm here today to start our money unit and to teach you a few things that I've learned over the years about money and how to identify it. Okay, the first coin that we're going to look at is the penny, and I'm going to share that with you next. Hey guys, this is our first coin, the penny. It has the president, our 16th president, Abraham Lincoln, on it. It is worth 1 cent, and if you see where I circled right here on the back, you'll see it says 1 cent. Also on the back, you will see what is called the Lincoln Memorial. The Lincoln Memorial is in Washington, D.C., where the White House is, and Miss Becky's actually seen it before. And if you look real close on the back of the penny, in the middle of the Lincoln Memorial, see this statue of Abraham Lincoln, which is pretty cool. That's a fun fact. The next coin is the nickel. It is worth 5 cents, and it has your president, Thomas Jefferson, on it. He was our 3rd president, and on the back you'll see where it's circled. It says 5 cents, and that is a home that he actually built. This is also a dime. It's worth 10. It has our 32nd president, Franklin Roosevelt. On the back, it has an olive branch and a torch that stands for peace. There it is. Our next coin is the quarter. 25 cents it's worth, and it has our first president, George Washington, on it. On the back of the quarter, you'll see different things, but the original one had this on it with the eagle. The eagle is our bird of the United States. Here you see money falling on Miss Becky. 4 quarters make $1. 4 quarters make $1. So if you had 4 quarters, it would be the same as having $1. Let's go on, and I want to share a little bit more with you about your coins and how you can identify them with something that I think helps children a lot, helps us a lot to know about the feeling of the coin. Some of them have smooth sides and some of them have rough edges. Okay, here we go. I have the penny, and I'm going to show you the back of it. It has the Lincoln Memorial on it. You see it? It's upside down, so let's turn it around. 1 cent. And if you look on it, it has smooth sides. And if you take a pencil and the coin, the penny, and you trace it around, it will be easy to trace because the sides are smooth. Right here, I put my penny down and then I traced it with a pencil. And you see how it made a smooth circle? Watch what happens when I get the nickel. Here's the back of it. And look, it also has a smooth side. So if I traced it as well, it actually is a little bit bigger than the penny, but it would give me the same smooth circle. And did you know also that this is worth more than the penny? You would need 5 pennies to make 1 nickel. Let's see what happens with the dime. The dime. Now look at the dime. It is actually smaller than the penny and the nickel, but it's worth more. It's worth more. It's worth 10 cents. You know, when we did our doubles facts, 5 plus 5 equals 10. You would need 2 of these. How many of these do you think you would need? How many pennies do you think you would need to equal the dime? If you said 10 pennies, you were right. Now watch what happens when I trace this dime. I'm going to trace it, then I'm going to show you. When we look at the dime, I traced it, and it is smaller than the penny, like I said. But on the dime, if you feel the edges of it, it is rough. It is rough, okay? And so is the quarter. Here's the quarter. It's rough edges too. Some quarters have different things on the back. You can see this one. It has different state symbols on the back from different states around the United States. It doesn't always have the eagle, so sometimes that's confusing. But if I trace this, it would be the biggest coin of all, okay? So I would get the coins if I were you and get maybe some notebook paper and try that if you can. Okay? Hey guys, thanks for staying with me today and learning all about money. Did you know Minnie Mouse and money both start with the same letter, M? Yeah, go find some money in your